Andrew here. Early morning service, Thursday. Andrew, Dr. Detail. I am doing this new Jag. Got a little bit of a curb rash problem. Actually, it's brand new. It came from Calgary on a car carrier. And the strap slipped. It's got a little bit of abrasion here. We're going to make that pretty. Andrew here, Dr. Detail. First video, before and after. DrDetail.com, Inc.com. Andrew here, Dr. Detail, video 2. She's all done. Looks good. All repaired, curb rash, beautiful. Andrew, DrDetail, Inc.com, finishing up this new Jaguar. Video 2. Video 2, DrDetail, Inc.com, wheel specialists for repairing.